Hey guys, how you doing? Scott here from Guitar is Great. Bringing you a super easy open chord lesson today. We're doing Hey Ya by Outkast, and sounds awesome on an acoustic. It also sounds really good on an electric, but I think kind of the song is more of an acoustic sound, so it's in the key of G. It's just a G, C, D, E, and kind of play C twice. So we'll get to that in the walkthrough. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate all your support. Let's dive in. Okay, so the song starts on the G chord. And it's got a pretty simple strumming pattern. You kind of want to just kind of think of the song and the words and play along with that. So it's like, my baby don't mess around. So it's got kind of that. Okay, so G is the first chord, to a C, to a D, to E. G chord, to C chord, D is like two strums, and then E major. E minor sounds good there, it sounds really good, but it is an E major chord. Okay, so let's go through it again. Faster. Alright, that was it. Pretty simple, like I said. So thanks again for watching. I hope this really helped you out. We got a lot more videos coming, so you know, if you like this one, maybe stop back by next time. I really appreciate it, you guys. Have a great day.